ICT, conventional teaching learning materials. In a very simplistic manner, we can define these learning materials as tools which the teachers or whoever is involved in the field of teaching help the learners in a way that can make them easily understand and comprehend what is taught to them. So these learning materials can improve the reading, writing, and speaking skills of the students. In an easy illustrative way, these learning materials can reinforce whatever the ideas, facts, or skills have already been learned by the students. So, what are some examples of these conventional learning materials that are useful in a learning environment or institution? So, these are the blackboards, textbooks, charts, pictures, posters, maps, atlases, globes, flashcards, flip cards, worksheets, science lab apparatus and materials, models, crossword puzzles, quizzes, storytelling dramatization, one-act plays, dictionaries, and encyclopedias, and any other reference books. Digital learning resources. The term refers to a digital resources such as applications, software, programs, or any other websites that engage those learners in their learning activities and support students' learning goals together in their learning journeys. This refers to those materials that are already in a digital format like audio, video, animation, and simulations. Okay, so there are plenty of lists that was created of the latest digital learning techniques and resources that every student can use for their learning requirements. So the closest example for this, since we all can relate and have already experienced using this application or website because of today's learning system, we can put Google Docs and SurveyMonkey as the best example for this. We are all already knowledgeable in terms of using Google Docs since it has already helped us in many things in terms of our educational stuffs, not only us students but also for the teachers itself. In short, digital learning does not simply enhance learning experiences, but it also saves teachers time, enable teachers to better tailor learning to student needs, aid in tracking student progress, provides transparency into the learning process. Distance learning. Distance education is a modern way of learning that allows students to study within their own space, phase, and time without being physically present in the school, college, or any university. While some students may find distance learning difficult, it gives them actually the chance to develop time management skills. These essential skills will help maintain a work-life balance and offer students an opportunity to complete projects before deadlines. It is a wonderful thing to really engage with a new interest and really explore a subject new to you on an academic level. If a combination of enthusiasm and discipline is maintained, then distance learning can prove to be far more rewarding and successful than conventional classroom study. There are different types of distance learning. We have synchronous or asynchronous distance learning, open schedule online courses, hybrid distance learning, computer based distance learning, and fixed time online courses. And in our system of education nowadays, we are currently having synchronous and asynchronous distance learning. That would be all, and thank you for listening.